Nice to see you again in Peak's English video. For this video, we are going to talk about how to use Peak in advanced level, and this video is suitable for business owners who are already familiar with Peak program and want to advance their skill and can use Peak more efficiently for management purposes. Now, let's start with the first dashboard in the main page. This dashboard will show the annual overview of revenues, expense, and profits for each month. If you want to see the amount of revenue and expense specifically for each month, you can click on each bar for the profits, and each month it will show in the below line graph. In addition, we compare the amounts in percent of year to year for you, so you can know how much the amount increase or decrease. If you compare with the previous year, you can close the display item by clicking on the horizontal line that represents each item. Revenue and expense in the dashboard of the main page is the same information represented in the financial statement. Next is information about overview of accounts receivable or AR and payable or AP. For both of them, you will see the balance of outstanding and overdue AR and AP. All amounts are the same as information represented in the AR and AP aging report. After that, we also have a pie chart of revenue. It helps you to monitor which product or service generates revenue for your company the most in a given period of time, such as for this month, last month, this year, and last year. The total revenue will be the same as information in the financial statement. For pie charts of expense, the concept is also the same as the revenue. Last but not least is a pie chart of cash. It will present three accounts for the largest amount of outstanding money. This amount can be cash or deposit. Then, you will see the wording of Overview Finance. When you click this word, Peak will automatically go to Overview page of Finance menu, so you can know more in detail about your financial situation. For the last part of the main page, it is the watch list that you can keep track of cash, bank account, or any accounting account. You can see those outstanding balance on the main page. It is so convenient, right? Go to Revenue menu, then click Overview. The first chart shows the status of customer invoice. The information shows invoice that you already received the payment, pending for the customer payment, or the overdue invoice. You can choose the information to show on a monthly or daily basis. Next chart is a document summary for revenue such as quotation, invoice receipt, sales tax invoice, credit note or billing note. The status of the document in a given period of time is based on issuance date of the document in Peak. Next, there are pie charts that show which products or service generates the most revenue to you. The customer who purchase your product or service the most and which type of revenue is the top three from all of them. The information is the same as represented in the financial statement. Last but not least, you can keep track of AR watch list on the below part of this page. Go to Expense menu, then click Overview. The first chart shows the status of your vendor invoice. The information will show on a yearly, monthly, and daily basis. Next chart is a document summary for expense, such as purchase order, expense record, purchase tax invoice, debit note, or combined payment note. The status of the document in a given period of time is based on the issuance date of the document in Peak. Next, They are pie charts that show the top 3 vendors and which type of expense that you make the payment the most according to the charts of account record. Go to the document menus and select the document type that you want, then click See All. For example, you want to export the report of overdue customer invoice. Firstly, go to Revenue menu and choose Delivery Note Invoice Record AR, then click Overdue. Peak will show all information related to overdue customer invoice and how many invoices are overdue. After that, you can place Export button and select the time period of the document report and click Export. There will be a pop-up for you to choose whether you want to download the report or send it to email. If you choose download, there will be a notification on an alarm bell, which displays on the top of the page. But if you choose send report to email, you need to fill in the receiver email and click Export. Another option, you can export the report in S1 search. For example, you want to export the customer receipt with the amount over 500 baht and also approved by A. You will go to Revenue menu, then select Receipt, Record Revenue and click See All. And after that, click Advanced Search and choose Very Advanced level. Next, please specify the minimum invoice amount and approved by A. Then, please search. Peak will show all the information based on your setting. Moreover, before exporting, you can arrange the order of document based on your requirements such as the document number, customer name, issuance date, and net amount. You can also double-click on each column for an arrangement from the highest to the lowest amount or the lowest to the highest amount, then click Export. For the document report of expense, you can follow the same step and describe for revenue side by changing to Expense menu and selecting the document type and status that you want to export. The cost of expense document export will be in EXP form no matter if they're the purchase of goods or other expense. Go to Contact menu. Click Overview and search the contact by using the contact code, name or 13-digit tax ID. After selecting the contact, you can go to Contact and choose Tab Overview. In this tab, the information displayed are total lifetime sales, average payment days, is how many days you will receive the payment from the customer by averaging 10 times of gap periods between in invoice date and the payment receipt date, and credit limit that shows how much your customer spent the limit and the remaining limit. Go to Product menu, select Product, Service and click Overview. Then please export. There will be a pop-up for you to choose the time period of the report and click Download. After that, there will be a notification on an alarm bell. The product report will be shown in this format. The information on the product in the report include the purchase and sale amount and the remaining balance. Above information will be represented in unit amount and Thai baht amount. For the first part, you can add a watch list for keep track and any kind of product in order to show its sale amount, cost, gross profit, the remaining unit and remaining amount in Thai baht. If you want more detail of each product, just click the product code. You can see all necessary details such as the dashboard that summarizes its sale, cost and gross profit, the chart for purchase price change and sale price change. Additionally, There is the chart showing that this product has been sold to whom the most and also purchased from whom the most. Next, in the tab movement, it will show the movement according to the lot number. For example, in lot 1, it shows how much you purchase and sell for lot 1 and with the reference document, including the remaining balance of this lot in unit and Thai baht amount. Go to Finance menu and click Overview. On the right hand side, you will see the chart that summarizes how much money your company has right now. If you want to see more in detail, please click on Finance or click tab Cash Bank e-wallet. After that, you will see all finance channel by classifying according to type of bank account. For more information of each bank account, you can click the bank account and you will see all its movement of cash in and cash out. Or you can search the transaction by the date, reference document and amount. Then you can also click Export to generate the Excel report. Another most important part is Cash in Out table in tab Overview. This table will help a business owner to easily see the overview of cash in and out in your business and can help you to plan the budget efficiently. The table will show on a monthly basis, which is the same format as a calendar for icons. Let's take a look more at the table. The upside green arrow indicates cash in. The downside orange arrow indicates cash out. The orange circle indicates the pending cash to be received on the date but you didn't receive it yet. The yellow circle indicates impending cash to be paid on the date but you didn't pay yet. The downside blue arrow indicates future cash out. Please notice that the orange and yellow circle indicates the past. For the sky and blue arrow, they indicate the future. If you want to see more of the advance of employee or director on behalf of the company and the company hasn't paid back yet, please go to Finance menu, select Expense, Claim and click Overview. You click the selected expense claim account. Then you will see the movement and outstanding balance. If the balance shows in the negative side, it means that the company hasn't paid back to the person. On the other hand, if the company already paid back, the amount will be zero balance. In Peak, we also have the check register, including checks received and checks issued, so the company can manage their checks easily and efficiently. Thank you everyone so much for watching until the end of this video. Hope this video will help you understand more about how to use Peak in the advanced level. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comment below. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye bye!
Friend of Business peakaccount.com